possibility of bowling super over. And guess what? He got only one run to play with. Just need some calmness, Maza.
Calmness personified. Oh, Ripon Mondol. Bangladesh need just one run to win this match. The last time they won the final was back in 2019. They lost the final against Afghanistan. This time, one run away from the final again. It's 2025. Opportunities don't knock twice. When they arrive.
In form, just like Ripon Mondol.
Rightly so, the Bangladeshi supporters are the ones making all the noises. They've been picking their side from the word go. And dejected looking India A side walks out to just defend one run.
Yeah, it was a disappointing show. Vaibhav Suryavanshi coming in to bat that super over. But this man, Ripon Mondol, idolizes Dale Steyn and showing a lot of courage.
I'm still trying to think what was the India A think tank thinking with that batting order, with the three batters that came into bat. Sunil Joshi, the coach, what is he writing now?
A lot of questions will be asked about Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Certainly, looking at how the young boy has been striking the ball, he should have been automatic choice. But only reason I could think of is that the hitters down the order who's been doing the job in the IPL has been given the responsibility. That man would have been a good choice or a better choice because he's striking the ball well, in form. Has India A done a blunder by not letting Suryavanshi out there?
Yeah, the faces say it all. As the two openers making their way, Yasir Ali and Jishan Alam. They just need one run to win. The game gives you windows, not doors. You have to break through. Yasir Ali, the experienced campaigner, alongside Jishan Alam.
Looking at how things proceed in the middle, it's going to be Yasir Ali taking on the strike against Suyash Sharma. Yasir Ali, Jishan Alam, the two fielders who dropped catches in these innings, and they got the opportunity to be in the middle when the single or any of the runs come in to redeem themselves. The march on to the final, which happens in 2 days. Suyash Sharma, excellent spell early on. 4 overs, 17 for 1. If you had the game finishing in the 20 overs, commentary box, I can confirm we had Suyash Sharma, if India had won, as the man of the match not to be. And he's going to have, and he's going to operate with a leg slip in place. Watch out for the googly Yasir Ali. Two fielders outside circle is at deep mid wicket and long on. Googly straight away. Long on, fielder in place. And he takes it. Amandeep Singh. He's about 10 to 15 feet in front of the boundary rope. Yasir Ali, very first ball, probably picked up the googly, trying to tonk it over. He's been dismissed.
There's going to be a boundary check. Suyash gets another wicket here. It will be another super over.
Yeah, just about a double confirm. There's no boundary count like it was before. Until we find a winner, we will be having super overs. Checking the front foot. That's fine. That's fine. Amandeep Singh under pressure. Picks up the googly, I thought, Yasir Ali. What was that necessary, Amaza? Just a single away. Going sideways when you're backpedaling. Good technique shown. Does he stay inside? Yeah, he does. He does. Had an expensive couple of overs when he bowled. 2 overs for 29. And he too has redeemed himself with his very good catch, Maza.
Yeah, that's a brilliant catch, but lack of common sense from Yasir Ali, must say. There was a field at long on. All he needed to do, play that down the ground. He wanted to go for the big shot, to be the hero, not to be outstanding. That is outstanding.
As it's happened in the right throughout the tournament, the third umpire has been tested every time, every game, and it continues into the super over. Second feed, that's fine. Maninder Singh, what is it going to be?
Looks fine to me. Looks fine to me. The TV umpire just wants to be sure. He had that momentum where probably the TV umpire must have thought that he might have touched the skirting. But I have a feeling he was well in control.
This is totally fine. Ramandeep Singh had everything under control. And Rahul Asher, our third umpire, as we speak, just confirming to the umpires in the middle, and the dreaded finger goes out. Yasir Ali, very first delivery, trying to go for the glory hit over mid-wicket. He is dismissed.
Akbar Ali, the skipper, comes in taking the responsibility for Bangladesh A. They just need one to win. They need some common sense in the middle. They need to keep things calm. Akbar Ali dropped the catch. Can he finish things off for his side? Bangladesh A will be eyeing to reach the final of this tournament for the second time after 2019.
Akbar Ali, he himself has an opportunity to redeem himself for the drop catch and also the blunder he made in the last ball. Here's your time. Here's your opportunity to be a hero again, Akbar. Under 19 World Cup winning captain in 2020. He knows to bat under pressure. He knows to lead a side under pressure. Can he lead his Rising Stars side against Suyash Sharma in the next delivery or two? Suyash Sharma, here he comes. All down the leg side. And a wide being called. That was a googly. And thanks to the Evans, Akbar Ali, he got everything in this game. Suyash Sharma, I thought the pace was right, not the line, not the length.
Was there a stumping opportunity there?
Every generation announces itself. Tonight, this one spoke fluently. Akbar Ali. Oh boy. In the end, it was the Indian bowler who conceded a wide, not from the bat.
Just like the Bangladeshi captain Akbar Ali, they should be relieved. They're the deserving winners of this first semi-final. Into the final after 2019 is Bangladesh.
আল্লাহ ভিডিও কই গেল